Alright, we just heard a big ass boom come from the ocean, and I'm just recording for documentary purposes. There's two boats out there. I don't know if it came from either of them, but oh, it was hella fucking loud. Alright, we discovered what that boom was. It was this motherfucking cloud shit, I think. And we're gonna walk over there and I'm gonna record the whole thing. Like I said before, for documentary purposes only. And I'm walking down a cliff. Alright. We're heading over there right now. We gotta cross this path right here. What the fuck? I actually hella hear fire trucks and police already. Don't you? Do you hear that, Marka?
Yeah.
So legit, like, I think that is something.
Are you fucking kidding me? My phone died. My phone died. God.
Hey, puppy. Oh god, this hill is so steep. Probably can't tell on camera, but it's pretty much vertical. Oh shit. We're getting closer. Hopefully my car didn't blow up. There's a little vantage point. My boy Marka is a tree climber. Loves that shit. I can see the sirens through the trees there.
Ambulance.
Marka says it's an ambulance. Oh no, you can see the smoke through the trees right there.
I can see the actual fire.
Dude, fuck, really?
It looks like it's blazing.
Oh no, I can almost see it through the trees there. You can see a little bit of the smoke.
Dude, fuck. If that's in the parking lot, I think it is.
Should we go down there?
Do you think we should?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, at least close enough to see more of what's happening.
Look.
Because it sounds like there's hella shit happening. You can see the fire engine. Hopefully it's not on the road because my car's in the parking lot there. So they're probably going to block it off. We're pretty fucking close now. Close enough to where I can hear hella shit going on. My phone's at 7%, so hopefully it doesn't die before we get there. Shit. There's a fat fire.
Oh, fuck.
Holy shit.
That's huge.
Let's go a little closer. Holy shit. That's like right next to my car. My car's right there. My car's right there, that blue one.
That house is on fire. Oh, fuck.
Holy shit. That's mad sketch. I can feel the heat from here already. Holy shit. Holy fuck. That's my blue car right there. It's right be- I don't think we should leave. Like, oh no. There's probably like fire trucks blocking that shit anyways.
How the fuck did that happen?
How the hell did that even happen? In the time that we got here and we're at the beach hanging out. It's super intense. You can see the fat cloud. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can get a full grasp of. You can hear him trying to put the, you can see the water.
Maybe you should park somewhere.
It's not my fault there is gonna be a fire behind my car. Look, at least I might get a free car wash. You can see something hanging out the bottom of my car right there. Some strap of a backpack or something. Holy fuck though. They're yelling for more water. Fire looks huge. That's gonna engulf that tree, dude. If they don't get that fire out, it's gonna engulf that tree, and then my car is gonna like. Oh shit. That was probably a crackle from the wood. That's probably what we were hearing way back there.
Oh, we heard a big explosion.
See, like, look on the face of something on fire down there. Hella gnarly though, there's so much smoke. I'm surprised my mom hasn't called me yet. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's getting that much more contained. This dude, just at home. It's like his house, he's just like, what the fuck? This dude's fucking recording. To the fence, and this is what we see through it. And we're still here, and this shit's still like going on. We can't leave because the fire hose is blocking the fucking road. Alright, I never recorded an end clip for that last video, so this is it, like 2 days later as I'm editing this. But we found out later that that was actually an hash lab explosion. It was a hash lab explosion. People were just cooking BHO the wrong way, and shit fucking exploded, and it was super loud. That's why we heard it so far away. And yeah, that's why the flame was so big, and that's what all those extra pops were, probably. It was like just other shit blowing up. And that's probably why it took so long to put out too, is because the flame was being fueled by shit. So like, yeah, anyways. Have a good day, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a pretty fucking crazy experience. We were there for fucking hell long. How long were we there, Marco?
I don't know, like a couple hours at least.
Like, we were there, like, when we got there, it was fucking daytime, and when we left, it was fucking nighttime. So that should be like a signal of how fucking long we were there. Anyways, have a good day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope your day was better than ours, because it was really boring, and we slept in the car. Okay, bye.